Sa mga business model, we provide everything. Planting materials, survival, growth rate, inoculation. Ang inoculation, na iginabutan sa puno to produce agarwood. So we supply that. And then, mangita of buyers, baligya, mo export. So we provide everything.
with the permit from the NAGMA. All.
Everything. Everything with permit from DNR. Kung why permit, dili ka kabaligya.
Mm. So aside from 3 million and 5 hectares, no more obligation to the planters.
No. No, up to sales na yun, up to income.
Plan to harvest.
Uh,
So that's what we are calling it. Contract growing. So dili na ka nag, di ba igora ka na nanom, dili na ka mangita og asa man ako ni ibaligya akong unlike pagkata, mangita pa ka kung asa imo ang buyer. But in Agarwood, people may come to you. Mo lagi na ang supply na lang ang kuwang nato. The market is already there, but however ang nagtanom mo iwa pa. No? So another concept of agriculture is agarwood. Bisag pagtipunon tanan. Di ba? What we are talking about is how would contribute to the agriculture in the Philippines setup. Di ba? Naman, ang agriculture, daghan man na siya klase. But right now, uncomparable ang agarwood tree. It can really a great help to the Philippines. Di ba? In Indonesia nga, ang nagbantay sa ila agarwood because they have a large obligations. Ang nagbantay sa ilang agarwood, mga sundalo. Because ilang man hindi collateral sa ilang utang. Di ba? So, wala ta kay bawaan eh. Ang Philippines, kung dili pa magnata, masigi pa tagkatug. Di ba? Oh, di ba? We have to wake up and hey, there's an opportunity with agarwood.